Cup is on the horizon, but this latest saga involving Cristiano Ronaldo and Manchester United, Ronaldo saying in an interview him no respect coach Eric Ten Hag because the coach doesn't respect him, and that there are other people inside Manchester United trying to get him out. And blah, blah, blah. Yet another great sports star not wanting to accept that he's past his best. Ronaldo is in denial and cannot bring himself to accept that he's robbing the bench. He's not getting enough game time, not getting so-called respect. That is all happening because he is 37 going 38 years old. Slowing down. He's not as good and will never be as good as he used to be. But here my maverick Cristo, Cristiano Ronaldo, is having a meltdown. He cannot help himself and does not want to help himself. And from the outside looking in, it looks selfish and self-centered. But it's the very same mentality that drives his ego, that drives his narcissism, that drives his performances, that drives his greatness. And guess what? This is just how great people are. Yes, yes, yes. This is how great people behave. I mean, take it from one great talking about another great.